Are you ready to elevate your daily routine with healthy and delicious blends? Look no further than the Mueller Nutra Blend Elite Portable Mini Blender. This compact powerhouse is here to transform your kitchen into a hub of nutritious creativity, allowing you to blend your favorite fruits and veggies into delectable concoctions in under a minute. Let's dive into why this portable blender is a game changer you won't want to miss out on. If you're interested in learning more about the Mueller Personal Blender for shakes and smoothies, please click on the link in the description below. Unleash the power of simplicity. With just one touch, the Mueller Juice Blender brings your blends to life. Designed for those who are always on the go, this personal blender is a fantastic solution for anyone who values efficiency without compromising quality. Say goodbye to complicated juicing processes. This blender simplifies your routine and takes care of everything, from protein shakes to refreshing morning juices. Mighty performance, minimal noise. Don't let its size fool you. This small but mighty blender packs a punch. Equipped with heavy-duty blades, it effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens to perfection. The best part, the Mueller Nutra Blend Elite Mini Blender operates quietly, allowing you to start your day with fresh blends without disturbing the peace. Blend and sip anytime, anywhere. Say goodbye to multiple containers and messy transfers. The superior food-grade blending jar is both non-toxic and impact-resistant, ensuring your blends are safe and delicious. With a generous 2-cup capacity, you can blend and enjoy straight from the jar. The custom-designed drinking lid adds convenience to your routine, making this blender perfect for home, office, or even on the go in an RV. Effortless one-touch blending. Embrace the power of simplicity with the Mueller Nutra Blend Elite. This blender is not only powerful but also user-friendly. With just one touch, you can whip up smoothies, dressings, and even baby food. Say goodbye to complex controls and hello to a seamless blending experience that caters to your needs. Quality you can trust. When you choose Mueller, you're choosing quality. Backed by unparalleled 24/7 live telephone customer support, this portable blender is designed to make your life easier. Whether you're a busy professional, a health-conscious individual, or a parent seeking convenient meal options, the Mueller Nutra Blend Elite has got you covered. Experience the joy of effortless blending and create nutritious, delicious blends with the Mueller Nutra Blend Elite Portable Mini Blender. It's time to take your culinary creations to the next level and infuse your routine with the goodness of fresh, vibrant ingredients. From invigorating morning shakes to post-workout protein boosts, this versatile blender is your trusted companion on your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Don't miss out on the chance to simplify your blending routine and enjoy the benefits of quality, convenience, and creativity. Embrace the Mueller Nutra Blend Elite and redefine the way you blend. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.